Hello and welcome to Dataviz Studio. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how we can use Dataviz Studio to manage your assets or items across different locations or clients. With our inventory management software, asset tracking is straightforward and clear. Your team can easily take pictures of assets in their new location using our app. This provides instant updates to your team. Let's create a new inventory table. If you already have an inventory table, let's delete it first by clicking on the Delete Table button and then confirming it. To create a new inventory table, first click on the Inventory Management tab. Here, click on the Create Inventory Table button. Since every business has unique needs, that's why we offer the flexibility to create custom fields in your inventory table. You can easily define custom fields tailored specifically for your needs. For our use case, we will add fields that capture client details. To make data entry even more efficient, you can define predefined values for these custom fields. These values will appear as drop-down options during data entry, ensuring consistency and speed across your team. So we will add a few columns for the client name, client address, and client contact to streamline the process. Once we have defined all the columns we need, we can click on Create Inventory Table to create the table. View all your assets' current locations on an interactive map, helping you oversee where each item is placed. First, click on Settings to select your time zone. Then click on Map Module to show the map module on the dashboard. You can also select different background colors. Let's customize our table view by selecting the columns that we want to be visible. Please make sure to save the dashboard so your changes can be saved. Let's add a few items by clicking on New Item button and then entering the item details. The value for stock keeping unit or SKU will be automatically generated for each item you create. You can always update this value to item's barcode or any other value you like. Keeping everything in one table ensures simplicity and full control. With support for text, dates, images, and numerical data, you can view updates in real time from any device. Now that we have a few items in our inventory list, let's see how we can generate their QR codes or barcodes. To do that, we will click on the Edit button. This will show us the details of the item. The first section shows all the details of the item. We can make changes to those details and save it. The second section is to generate QR codes or barcodes for our item. The third section shows all the changes we have made to this item. Since QR codes can hold more data, you can create a custom QR code that will allow automatic pre-population of key fields that are specified in the QR code. You can use the web platform to generate any QR code for your products or your items. As an example, if we want the location to be set to Warehouse 1 on scan, then we will set the location to that value. So when you scan this QR code using Dataviz Studio app, then it will find the item first, open the item, and set its location field to Warehouse 1 automatically. Another example is if you want to increase the quantity or decrease the quantity by a number or any numeric field's value, then you will select the numerical field first and select from Add, Subtract, and enter the value. When this QR code is scanned, the app first finds the item, then opens it, and automatically increments or decrements the value by your specified number. You can see the updated value as green in the app, so you can confirm it before saving. You can print the QR codes or barcodes using your own printer using label papers. Or you can get a QR code printer or a barcode printer. Let's apply style to our locations so it's easier to identify them. You can apply styles to any value to give you a personalized look. To update an item's location, simply edit the item and enter its new location. All changes are highlighted in green. Let's set the location for this item to New York. Let's set the location for this item to Boston. All changes are automatically tracked in the Changes table, which can be used for reporting and analytics. Keep track of who checks items in or out, and set return dates to streamline operations. To view current locations of our items on the map, we will select the Locations column in our Map module. Similarly, we can do the same thing in our Charts module. Our software provides you the simplicity of a single comprehensive inventory table with real-time tracking, making your inventory management seamless and efficient. Since Dataviz Studio is a cloud-based platform, you can access it from anywhere using your computer or smartphone. Any changes made by any of your team members can be viewed by everyone in your team in real time. It's the perfect tool for teams to stay informed and in control. Our smartphone app allows you to scan almost any barcode or QR code. After the scan, the app will show you the items that match the code. You can also add items based on the scanned code. With QR code, the app provides some great features, including the ability to automatically set any column to a specific value. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy using Dataviz Studio. For any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.